Ice Valley.
We go slow, don't wanna miss the moment when the sunset paints the sky. Time slows down when I hold you close. The colors fade, we just come alive. No one else is here, just you and me. Hold my hand, let's stay like this a while. Let's forget the world, just close your eyes. This moment lives so deep inside, feels like paradise.
Okay, good morning everyone. Today, we're doing the Nami Island tour. Pero yung package ko includes Nami Island, Aobi Village, Obi Village, and Garden of Morning Camp. So, para ito kasi yung nabook ko sa Klook. Hindi ko na-check yung time. Pero this package, kasi may kasamang Winter Light Festival doon sa may Garden of Morning Camp. Kaya mag-start siya ng 10 o'clock. 10:30 actually, yung pick-up time dito sa may Myeongdong. And then, it will end at 8 p.m. So, medyo late matatapos tong tour na to. Kasi nga, may light festival doon sa may Garden of Morning Camp. So, second time naman natin gawin tong tour na to. Nakapunta na tayo dati sa Nami, autumn. Pero ngayon lang tayo mag-winter dito. Pero we're not expecting snow today. Pero sana masaya pa rin yung tour natin. And it's cold at 0 degrees Celsius. And yung lowest temperature is negative 2 degrees Celsius. Highest is 4 degrees Celsius. So, anaantayin lang natin yung tour natin dito sa may Myeongdong. So, ang pick-up is dito sa may malapit sa Shinsegae. Ayan. So, first stop, which is yung Obi Ice Valley. So,
Feels like paradise.
very snowy na.
So deep inside, feels like paradise.
And so, hindi pa sin super makapal ngayon, pero okay na din. So, sabi is artificial yung wall na yan. Parang may mga tubo-tubo lang dyan sa taas. And then, dyan na sila tumitigas na yan siya. Ayan. So, magpa-picture muna tayo doon kay Kuya.
Feels like paradise.
For sure, if darating kayo ng January or February, mas makapal na yun. Kasi, definitely, mas madaming snow or mas white siya or mas icy siya. Ngayon kasi hindi pa super mas snow. Nag-snow lang kahapon kaya siguro covered din ng white yung mga background natin. Pero ayan. And so hi guys! Today is December 24, 2025. And as you can see, andito tayo ngayon sa Obi Ice Valley. So kahapon medyo nag-snow dito sa area na to. Kaya medyo white yung surroundings. Ngayon ay walang forecast ng snow. Pero
This life we dream will never die. The subtle stones beside the sea. Your head was leading into me.
currently is 12:30 kasi yung tour natin is nag-start ng 10:30. So if darating kayo dito ng January or February, maganda na may dala na kayong ice clips. Yung parang ganito. Yan. Para at least may magamit na kayo dito. Kasi definitely mas makapal yung snow dito sa area na to. May ma-order naman kayo doon sa Orange app. So okay na din yon. Pero dito sa tour ay may binabenta din naman 10,000 won or 8,000 won. So okay din siya para at least may magamit kayo for your tours.
We didn't talk, we didn't need. The silence said what words can't.
Feeling ko okay naman na yung picture natin. Tara na para hindi tayo maiwan ng bus. Baka ma-post tayo. 12:50 and may enough time pa naman. Bakit ang dumi ng ng sleeves ko? So ayan siya sa mas malayong view. Ganyan lang siya. Pero again, sabi ko nga, mas makapal yung yellow dyan pagdating ng winter, December or January. Ayan. Very helpful itong cleats. So dapat may ice cleats talaga kayo para hindi kayo nadudulas. Kasi yung daan dito ay may mga yellow na talaga. Ayan. Wala akong food. Try natin madaan yung cafe. May cafe sa taas eh. Ayun. Pero maganda nga yung cafe. Tapos may mga ibang animals din pala dito. Like ano yung mga nandyan. Let's go and check. Parang may mga baby. Ah, mga rabbit. May rabbits. And dala sa likod ko. Ito yung view. Sana sa Nami Island ganito din. Like may snow, may ice para winter sonata ang atake. So, sa mga millennials, I'm sure alam niyo yung winter sonata. Pero sa mga Gen Zs, baka hindi niyo pa masyadong alam yung OJK drama na yan. Pwede kayo mag-zipline din. Magkano na yan? Nakalimutan ko yung sinabi kanina. Okay. Dito na tayo sa Nami Island. And unang puntahan natin yung sa may winter sonata. Kasi yun yung iconic for winter. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Buti na lang nag-snow kahapon. Kaya may mga ganito. Yan. Ito snowman. And snowman. Oh my gosh, ang saya. Buti na lang talaga. Ang ganda ng timing natin. Perfect yung timing natin. Sakto nag-snow kahapon. Kaya, this is snowy Nami Island. Yan. Okay. Ganda. Last time na nandito tayo, it was autumn. So, very colorful nung last na nandito tayo. Ngayon naman, very white. So, although manipis lang yung snow, pero pwede na din yan, diba? Okay na yan. Feeling ko nababasa na yung nababasa na yung shoes ko kasi hindi naman pang winter yung shoes ko. Ganda.
Baby, what's the rush? I can see the liquor, how it tickles at your lips. Looking for some fun. Come a little closer, let me show you how it is. 'Cause you seem confused. You don't need to know just who I
Pinabibili ng
am.
hala-hala.
Let's move to the groove. Baby, I ain't looking for romance. I'm just trying to dance. I found myself in the dark of the night. When all was lost, needed a reason to fight. Cried all my tears, then they started to dry. I found me, all I need. I found myself in
Nahiya
the
pa talaga.
dark of the night.
Ito masanay.
When all was lost, needed a reason to fight. Cried all my tears, then they started to dry. I found
mahirap yung yung shoes ko kasi hindi naman na pang winter ito. So, anyway, lalaban natin ito.
The leaves have changed and tell the place to grow. And I'll never know why my heart chose you to fall for before it all.
Ayan, sa mga trentahin dyan, alam kong alam nyo to. So, Winter Sonata. Ito na yung famous na Winter Sonata statue. Yan. Sakto-sakto, winter and snowy today. Ayan, so, sa mga pupunta ng Nami Island ng January, February, magsuot kayo ng maayos na sapatos. Huwag niyo akong gagayahin na naka-sneakers. Hindi ako nakabili. Sabi ko bibili sana ako ng sneakers. Hindi naman ako nakabili. Kaya tiis-tiis tayo dito sa bibili sana dapat ako ng snowshoes. Pero hindi ako nakabili. So, tiis tayo dito sa sneakers natin. So, ayan. Enough naman yung time. Parang may around 2 hours or 1 hour 30 minutes to explore the island. And, ayan, nag-enjoy lang ako. Nagsolo-solo lang ako dun sa may mga snow. Then, ayan, 5:30 yung meet-up time. Wait lang. 4:30 pa lang. So, pwede na tayong bumalik sa wharf. Or, mag-coffee tayo. Parang bet ko mag-coffee. Check natin kung may mga kape tayong makita. Dito na tayo sa last stop, Garden of Morning Calm. Baka bibilisan ko na lang yung pag-vlog kasi palobat na yung camera ko. Hindi ko pala nadala yung battery pack, yung extra batteries ko. Pero dito sa Garden of Morning Calm, may mga light shows, Christmas lights basically. Ayan. So, maganda din dito nung autumn. Pero maganda din, nilagyan nila ng ganitong attraction ngayong winter. Dito na ako ngayon sa may Namsan Square. Ayan. So currently it's -2 degrees Celsius and pupunta dapat ako sa Uedo Han River Park, pero medyo mas malayo kasi and malapit na din ako dito sa area. So dito na lang ako pumunta. So pupunta tayo sa Namsan Tower. So masayang activity to. Dan Namsan Tower sa likod ko. And masayang activity to pag autumn. Nag-hike na din ako dito noon ng autumn. And then maganda dito kasi may may autumn foliage dyan sa likod. Tapos ang ganda nitong sikat ito parang famous na K-drama filming location itong part na to. Tapos yan, yung hike hanggang sa taas, free lang naman, pero yan, ilang minutes, mga 15 minutes siguro kung diretso. Pero kayang-kaya naman siya. Mas malakas yung mga adjusty at adjoma na mag-hike. Ayun, maganda dito pag nightscape. Yan tignan niya. Tignan natin baka dito din tayo mag-exit mamaya. Kasi pupunta tayo doon sa Namsan Tower for sunset. And currently, it's negative 2 degrees Celsius. And doon nga dapat ako sa Uedo Han River Park kasi ang lamig kasi. Ayan, famous location siya ng K-content location. May makikita kayong ganito. Meaning, that is a K-content location, K-drama location spot. So, this is from Itaewon class. Pumunta na rin ako dito noon eh. Ayan. So, tara dun sa taas. Sige, kayanin natin.
Welcome to the house where hopes might as well be worthless. All my time around still feels like cartoon belong here. Welcome to the place where hearts will break slowly. You can't run away, they'll air out your dirty little trick. And I'm so tired of hiding, I'm feeling broken. Wish that someday this house won't feel like it's haunted. Cause I don't wanna hide that I'm feeling broken. No, I don't wanna hide that I'm feeling broken.
Ayan, nag-gloves na ako kasi sobrang lamig na talaga. Konti lang yung nag-hike ngayong oras. Siguro kasi, anong oras pa lang naman. Tapos, kasi, isa pang reason ba't hindi ako tumuloy sa Han River. Kasi ang daming tao, like, sobrang dagsaan sa subway. Eh, mamaya, ayaw akong makipagsiksikan sa subway pag pauwi. At least dito, pwede ko nang lakarin yung papunta sa Myeongdong.
Feeling crazy, feeling lonely. Though surrounded, I feel cold. And now I'll go into my phone to get out of my head. I'm down by all the words you said to me. Are you my friend or enemy? I don't believe this shit's for me, so let me get away from here. And I'm so tired of hiding, I'm feeling broken. Wish that someday this house won't feel like it's haunted. Cause I don't wanna hide that I'm feeling broken. No, I don't wanna hide no more. And if you let me down, go slowly. So many times I've said I'm sorry. You will never see me cry like this. Hope that we'll both know what it's best left unsaid. And I said that I'm tired and done with the shit you put to run me over. You will never see me cry again. Moments that really will never come again. This time I feel like something's different, but deep inside you know we're still the same. We're lonely, broken. We're lonely and broken. We're lonely, broken. We're lonely and broken. We're lonely, broken. We're lonely and broken. And if you let me down, go slowly. Too many times I've said I'm sorry. You will never see me cry like this. Hope that we'll both know what it's best left unsaid. And I've said that I'm tired and done with the shit you pulled to run me over. You will never see me cry again. Moments that really will never come again. Cold skin, said I might break someday. One more I'd say.
We're here. Kaya pang isa. This is Ira the Adventurous.
Not so adventurous today.
Not so adventurous today.
Hindi pala lahat ng sport para sa'yo. Actually,
Anong code mo?
harapat.
Ara Patriac Look. Ayan. Ara Patriac Look. O, go.
Ay, nag-video ko.
Dito.
Okay na yan?
Ano? Kaya pa ba? Isa pa?
Ha?
Isa pa? Last na ako.
Ano oras?
150.
Oh, okay.